Let's go. Let's get started now. You see all the ingredients here: walnuts, brown sugar, cornstarch, eggs, water, salt, and sriracha sauce. This is fixed sriracha sauce. Start with a large bowl to mix the brown sugar and cornstarch in. Mix the two ingredients well. The cornstarch will help the sugar to coat the nuts easily. What is brown sugar anyway? It's a sugar with a distinctive brown color. The color comes from the addition of molasses. While delicious, it's no healthier than a white refined sugar, especially since that white sugar is one of its main ingredients. Move the bowl aside and grab the large eggs. Crack them for their egg whites. Whisk it well using a whisk with large loops. The large loops will help incorporate more air into the mixing and create a fluffy foam faster. Once it is mostly whisked, add the water and salt and continue incorporating the water and salt into the egg white fluff. A step-by-step instruction to make the best Sriracha Candied Walnuts I saw on Food Network when Joanna Gaines of Magnolia Table made her candied cashews. I accept the challenge and made these as an improved version of the candied nuts she made at Magnolia Market at the silos. These walnuts have a slight kick of heat from my favorite sriracha, fixed sriracha sauce. With just a few ingredients, easily mixed and cooked in the oven for 40 minutes, the result is fantastic. Great on salads, entrees, sides, or just enjoy on the go. These are addictive. Yes, you just saw me put the nuts into the egg mixture. Now mix and coat well. Who made candy nuts first? Well, the Romans were the first recorded to make candied nuts. They were given as treats for wedding presents as a symbol of fertility. We have come a long way now and enjoy them whenever we want. Once the nuts are completely coated, move them to a strainer and drain for 5 minutes. Dine with Devin. You are gifted and can cook amazing food. Let me know in the comments below how you made this recipe your own. The 5-minute drain is done. Clean the bowl. Put the nuts back in the clean bowl. Next is the brown sugar and cornstarch mixture. Incorporate it well into the nuts. Because of the cornstarch, it will be easy. Fixed sriracha sauce is a chili-based sauce, blending hot chili peppers, garlic, salt, vinegar, and sugar. It has a slight tang from the vinegar, sweet notes, garlic, and hot all-in-one taste. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and a super plant source of omega-3s. These, together with sugar, are beautiful. Spread the nut mixture out on a large sheet tray with parchment. The tray should be large enough to have your entire batch of nuts hanging out on the tray in a single layer, not crowded. The amount you see me making in this video is almost 2.5 of the recipes above, leaving me to use a full-size sheet tray. Put them in the oven, preheated at 300 degrees for 20 minutes. Time lapse now for 20 minutes forward. Now mix the nuts on the tray. Move the nuts on the outside of the tray to the inside and inside out. You see all the sugar is heated to a syrup. A part of what this is doing is recoating the nuts with more sriracha sugar mix. Once the mixing is done, put the tray back in the oven for its final 20-minute cook. Pull the nuts and cool at room temperature for at least 15 minutes until cool to the touch. Enjoying these videos? Please consider subscribing if you have not already. Your support helps me continue building this channel with more delicious recipes. Thank you for your support. When they have cooled all the way, they will fall from the parchment paper easily. Now it's like a nutty sheet of brittle. Break the nuts up into small clusters or individual nuts, whatever is perfect for your use. If you like what you see, decide how you will change it for your taste. Pick your favorite nut. If I picked another, it would be macadamia, but cashews could also work well. What would you use? Here's an extra idea for you. See what's on the table left when all the nuts are pulled into the bowl? It's a crumble and dusting of the sriracha candied sugar. It is also delicious in a number of food items. Next is the tasting. I already know the crunch of the candied nut has a very slight hint of heat from the sriracha. It's slightly sweet, nutty, and crunchy with a little kick. I'm going to try one piece now. Yes, it is delicious. Thank you. I'm grateful for your watching.